What is the real meaning of success? This is a question that I come across from a lot of people. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. It's a journey that you need to define. Through my personal experiences in the field of entrepreneurship, I've been able to define few lessons that are very critical for your success. In this video, I'll be talking about 5 lessons that I have learned in my journey and which I think will be very helpful for most of you. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are against you, is a very famous quote by the richest guy on the earth. Elon Musk said, if something is really important to you, you will put in all the efforts to make it successful. Failure is a part of life. Those who do not fail have actually never tried in their life. So, if you don't try, you will never realize what success is. So, never be afraid or ashamed of failure and to start again after your failure. Believe in the process every time you fail. Your desire should be important enough that it will keep you going and take you to the success ladder. There are two ways of learning. One is through books, courses, or transmission of knowledge from one person to another. The other way is try, fail, and learn. So, even if you fail, ensure there is a learning to it. This learning will definitely help you in the next stage of success. As another billionaire in the world, Mr. Jeff Bezos says, we are not competitor obsessed, we are customer obsessed. We start with what the customer needs and then we work backwards. It's a very important saying and clearly gives the message that you have to empathize with people around you. You have to have ears to listen to your customers. At the same time, you have to ensure that your working environment is a fantastic place because ultimately people deliver. So if you're compassionate with people, if you're giving them what they want, and if you're hearing their ideas, definitely you're going to get success. In fact, the ongoing pandemic also proved that if the bosses were compassionate towards their people or they were sympathizing or ready to help their people, the companies grew much faster than the other companies. This happened because people trusted and believed in the vision of their boss. We have heard these three words a lot of times: never give up. These three words have a lot of power behind them. I'll try to explain this with an example. A company like Coca-Cola, which is one of the largest beverage company in the world, in their first year of operation sold only 25 bottles. Similarly, when Nestle launched Maggie, it took them 13 years to turn the company profitable. Till today, Nestle Maggie occupies 60% of the market share of noodles. So, the third lesson that you have to remind yourself every day is be patient, wait for your turn. At the same time, be perseverant. Just don't stop. Keep yourself focused and you will attain success. Not tomorrow, not day after, but definitely someday you will attain success. Smartness is knowing tomato is a fruit, but wisdom is ensuring that tomato is not put in the fruit basket. You may be very smart, but you need to be wise to know what is more important for you. You need to be wise to learn from your experiences. Being wise helps you prioritize your things better. Being wise helps you better prioritize your time, your effort, your energies towards the things that add value to your business or growth and let go of things which are not relevant or important. The last advice that I have for you is be optimistic always. During the pandemic, we all went through very difficult time. Personally, professionally, family wise, All of us had our shares of trouble, but that does not mean everything is going to end. The pandemic is here to stay, but at the same time, we are all hopeful someday things will be normal, things will be back to the way they were. So let me inspire you with this quote of Jack Ma. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but day after tomorrow, there will be sunshine. These 5 lessons have a common point that goes through all of them: doing what you love. If you are passionate about what you are actually doing, nothing will deter you or nothing will stop you from achieving the success. So ensure that you follow or do what you love. I hope I was able to inspire you with the 5 lessons that I have learned in my life and in my entrepreneurial journey. At the same time, I really wish there is some positivity that spreads out of this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any lessons to share, please put them in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends.